Hey guys, it's me, and I am showing you my baby birds I just got yesterday. Pretty cute, and they're all females. Look at this. Ugh, this guy tipped it over again. So if you can't see this. And that's what I've got to show you guys. Have a nice day and goodbye.